What's up, guys? Boy Vino Jack here. Obviously, where I'm at is not nowhere near my hometown. We're actually in Upland, California. My boy Gordo hit me up. He said, hey, man, let's go for a cruise. A bunch of Mopars, a bunch of Hemis, 5.7s, 6.4s, you know, all the scats, the hells, everything, even the V6, maybe not, maybe so. We might see some hood rat shit, some hoonigan shit, some burning out, some cruising, some good drone footage. Again, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. You guys want to see more content like this? You know what? Thank you guys so much for selling out my clothing brand, too. Never stop racing. You know, guys, so without further ado, we are in Upland, California, near Ontario. This was like a 3-hour drive. I am running on like 2 hours of sleep. Been up for 16 hours, but still other than this, guys, let's get going and let's go. What is up, guys? Good morning. Happy Saturday, Sunday. Well, it's your boy Vino here. Actually, today we're gonna do a little video with my boy Gordo. Check it out. We're cruising in the Chally today.
Gang, gang, gang.
This is my boy Gordo. You can follow him on his Instagram. It's Garfield 13? Garfield RT in his Insta. Girls, he's single, hit him up. You know, look at it. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys want to see more content like this. Obviously, where we're going, it's gonna be a lot of Hemis in that. Got all my footage, my drone, everything. Might catch some good hood rat shit, some hoonigan shit. Hey, let's get ready for this trip. Hey, Alex right there eating. What are you eating? Oh my God. So guys, we're on our way right now. It's good, so good. I've been up since, how long have I been up? I've been up for 14 hours. I'm hurting right now, but I can't go to sleep because Gordo drives like a crazy maniac. Other than that, guys, let's see what comes out today. If it's a good show, you know, we're gonna be by Ontario. Shout out to everybody in Ontario. Hope everybody's doing safe out there. Oh my God, I just remember something right now. I forgot my mask. Oh, sweet. All right, so we're good. We're masked. We got Germix. We got cookies. We got agua, All-Stars, everything, guys.
Straight from the underworld, coming for the underground. Motherfuckers better watch out for the male hounds. I never been the motherfucking gang that you all down. Risen up the purgatory, yo, you bitches done now. Straight from the underworld, coming for the underground. Motherfuckers better watch out for the male hounds. I never been the motherfucking gang that you all down. Risen up the purgatory, yo, you bitches done now. Death is your minimal punishment. Boy, you better recognize who you fuck around with. Only fought a couple times, I never busted any crimes, but that don't mean no more put you in the coffin. Walking around with a noose, so we're fucking 22. Wanna see you as in person, get the poppin'. I can't stand a fucking artist who can't get it on their own. Taking handles like a bum who is jobless. Clickety clap with the Glock, did you get popped? When it's crunch time, bet you all run off. 50-50 chance that you rats all gonna get chopped. Playing all these bitches like an avatar, yes, 50K for a verse or a punchline. Cause without you, we doing this shit just fine. So we learn a lot of things from the shitty generation. Everything is better image for some fucking recognition. Ooh, wait, I think that I'm saying shit's hitting their soft spot. Ayy, the reason they can't stand the truth cause they all drop. Ayy, fuck what they think cause I promise I won't stop. Ayy, the wolf that is climbing the hills already on top. Straight from the underworld, coming for the underground. Motherfuckers better watch out for the male hounds. I never been the motherfucking gang that you all down. Risen up the purgatory, yo, you bitches done now. Straight from the underworld, coming for the underground. Motherfuckers better watch out for the male hounds. I never been the motherfucking gang that you all down. Risen up the purgatory, yo, you bitches done now. Everybody dissing and missing my fucking punchline. Hitting on my elements, unless it misunderstood. We only fuck it with the sound from the hounds in the woods. So sadistic, always on that fucking killer shit. Bullets on the beat,
it up,
see an
man.
average gang of murder red. Nothing but a face inside the
Hell
bunch
yeah.
says we
Okay, go.
get blacked out, fed red eyes, and emotionless. Running in the circles of my life at night, feeling empty. Am I even at the score? Just repetition, leave that bullshit at the door. Like the fuel, start the war. There is many fucking things I still cannot ignore. Pushing your beliefs on people I can't take it anymore. Hard times and I'm heading down a long road. Mental scars and still bleeding with my eyes closed. Many scary stories that I'm leaving untold. Pages ripping my decision, watch it unfold.
Guys, we had a successful day here in Upland, California. We're back. We're going all the way back to our little home. So, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. I'm tired. I've been up. I haven't rested. I've been up for more than 24 hours. I'm doing this for you guys. More content's coming soon. More clothing soon. The clothing's gonna drop soon too. I mean, currently I'm almost sold out. Guys, other than that, thank you guys so much for your time, for your patience, and all this pandemic going on. You guys need to see pump ups like this. Guys, stay above it, stay blessed, and guys, take care. Gordo, anything to say?